Hello, my name is Trendy Prima Wijaya. I currently studying battery management system with my team from Energy Management Laboratory at Bandung Institute of Technology. Today, I want to do the presentation of our research on the title of Effective Selection Switching of Battery State of Charge Equalization based on fuzzy logic algorithm. This presentation is divided into 5 sections: Introduction, System Description, Algorithm Design, Result and Discussion, and then Conclusion. So first, we start from some true facts about battery. Individual battery cell has limited voltage and capacity. Therefore, large battery system consists of similar cells connected in series and parallel configuration to increase total voltage or total capacity respectively. However, if there is weak cell in series configuration, it may lead to overcharge or over-discharge fault condition. So, the battery system must be equipped with battery management system or BMS to monitor and protect the battery during operation, including cells parameter equalization, such as state of charge or SOC and measured voltage. SOC is actual indicator of the battery condition and can be estimated with several methods, such as table-based interpolation, column counting, adaptive Kalman filter, learning algorithm, etc. However, in this research, we assume SOC is too big known already. So we will focus on how SOC equalization algorithm is developed. There are several challenges on equalization algorithm design. First, the algorithm must be based on specific variables, either voltage or state of charge or both of them. The relationship of those two variables depends on many parameters and has nonlinear characteristics. At near empty and near full state of charge, the cell's voltage may change faster and need more attention to avoid over-discharge or overcharge fault condition. Second, the circuit topology may implement simultaneous equalization or selective equalization. In simultaneous equalization, several target cells can be equalized at the same time, but requires similar quality of distributed component. So, it may be more expensive, unlike the selective equalization, which has directly transfer between any of cell targets, and fewer number of components as in back-to-cell topology is easier to control compared to cell-to-cell topology, which has two selector circuits. Lastly, the control parameter usually is the duty cycle and frequency of converter switches or the selector switch on-off time schedules. In this research, we combine these key ideas to propose a new equalization algorithm. The objective of this research is to develop battery state of charge equalization algorithm, which can overcome the fuzziness on cells characteristic curve. And then we simulate the proposed design and compare the results between the conventional algorithm and the proposed algorithm on back-to-cell circuit model. We assume all cells have same capacity and any thermal consideration is neglected. We want to test our hypothesis whether The fuzzy logic approach on the proposed algorithm can successfully improve the equalization performance, such as switch effectivity, equalization speed, and switch transient losses. For battery model, we use actual standard discharge test data of prismatic lithium ferrophosphate battery cells with 100 Ah nominal capacity. And then, we use modified Shepard model as a mathematical model for the following simulation model. As can be seen, the regressed model have good accuracy with empirical data plot. This is the general system schematic. Battery pack consists of N-series connected cells, and the selector switch is normally open. Only one pair of them is allowed to conduct for some specific time as scheduled by the controller. Energy flows from battery pack is converted into low voltage level by isolated step-down converter. External load is assumed to be constant current source that can be controlled to change the direction and then stop when a state of charge deviation has smaller than specified tolerance. And then we organize the proposed system in the simulation model into several blocks, such as load subsystem, converter subsystem, battery pack subsystem, monitoring subsystem, and switch controller subsystem. Now let's see some basic algorithms for selective equalization. In this illustration, there are 4 cells with unbalanced state of charge initial value. In the first strategy, the main goal is to minimize residual unused capacity at the final time. At the middle time, this strategy may have alternately different target cells candidate. So, the number of switching operations may be increased and those switches may have early degradation. Meanwhile, in the second strategy, the main goal is to minimize the switching operation count. So, in this strategy, the target cells will achieve the specified set point and ignores any other target cells candidate. So, in the final of the equalization, there may be large residual unused capacity. To determine which equalization strategy to be more dominant at what condition, we have developed some intuitive fuzzy rules based on the battery's characteristic curve. The proposed fuzzy system used 3 inputs: mean of state of charge, maximum state of charge difference, and maximum voltage difference to determine how long equalization time must be performed. This fuzzy rule-based table is developed from our preference based on this basic intuitive rule. If mean state of charge is small or large in this region, the voltage of the cell may change significantly. So, if the difference of the voltage and state of charge are large, we need the equalization to be set longer to give more energy for the target cell. However, if the difference are small, the equalization may be set shorter to avoid undervoltage fault condition caused by sudden voltage drop of the cells. If mean state of charge is in the middle region, the estimation may become worse as the voltage characteristic is relatively flat. Therefore, equalization time may be set to be medium. For the first experiment, we compare the proposed algorithm with conventional voltage-based algorithm and state of charge-based conventional algorithm. The conventional algorithm seems have no difference in the results, while the fuzzy algorithm has been proved to have a larger equalization step on the extreme value of state of charge distribution mean. Is as near the empty value and near the full value. And then, for the second experiment, we do the variation of initial state of charge value into small value, medium initial value, and large initial value. We also do this variation into previously algorithm, voltage-based algorithm, state of charge-based algorithm, and proposed fuzzy-based algorithm. As can be seen in this table, the number of the switching in proposed algorithm has significantly reduced, and the total equalization time is reduced also. But the equalization efficiency only slightly improves. This shows that the switching transient losses has small contribution over the whole equalization energy transfer. Therefore, the conclusion of this research are as follows. First, the proposed fuzzy logic approach for equalization algorithm on back-to-cell topology with 15 series connected cells model has been successfully achieved switching effectivity improvisation. Second, the proposed algorithm also yields reduced total equalization time. Third, the proposed algorithm able to determine suitable strategy adaptively, either alternated or maximized equalization step strategy. Finally, the slight improvement on equalization efficiency may indicate that the switching transient losses has small contribution. We also have planned some future works, such as validation of the proposed algorithm and the improvisation of the algorithm design, and more analysis of the system to improve the overall system performance for optimization. This is the reference for the presentation. Thank you.